So here's my 2-second improvement, and Joe White, you see what you think of it, right? But I've always thought that this is basically in our way when you're, well, you know, when you're sweeping out the powder.
Yeah.
It kind of like gets stuck in these edges and whatever. So what about we just take that out, and now you can just sweep it straight into a pan. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's
nice and simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm glad you approve. Well, while I'm still waiting for keys, etc., I'm going to get on and do some, build some frames that are on wheels. I'm waiting for the wheels still. The wheels may turn up today, actually. So what we've got is 3 metre long lengths of this frame stuff, and we buy it from our aluminium suppliers, and it's super cheap. I think it's like £7 a length or something. And then we got little, I'll have to show you in a bit, but we got, because they're in there, but we got little like flat T-pieces and things like that go in the ends that you should just rub a mallet in, and you can make a nice table up. And then the end caps are threaded so you can put wheels on it too. So the plan is, I've got at the moment 2 ovens. There's one oven just there, the other oven which we unfortunately accidentally smashed the front door of, which I need to get a new door for, but it's still usable. So what originally happened was these ovens were double stacked, and the top oven was a really good height, and the bottom oven was not at a good height. There was a lot of bending, etc., to be able to put the parts in. I also raised the issue with Joe that perhaps his movement from the powder coat booth to the oven was a little bit was a bit of a pain, and that maybe if we put the oven on wheels with a like a long lead or something, or a lead that kind of retracts back, that then he could just literally, I'm going to go like this now, unload the part into the oven directly standing side by side, so that would make it easier. So that's what we're going to do. Powder coat and anodise is the main goal when we move to the unit, if we get the keys today. Okay, well, as with always doing the first of something, I made a couple of mistakes, so I'll talk you through those. So the first one is I didn't order enough corner end caps, corner 3 ways. So we need one here and one here, and then that can be our last bit of bar will go in there, and that'll be that. We're missing, this isn't my fault, it's the suppliers, but we're missing the threaded end caps for each end, and we're waiting for the wheels. And then the final one was I needed to take 40mm off of every dimension for the width and length, because with these you had 20mm at each end, and I didn't do that. So it's a learning curve. What I'll probably do is wait till these end caps turn up, all the bits turn up for it anyway, and then actually trial it out. And decide whether or not we want to make it that 40mm smaller, which we might want to do, or carry on with it as is. It'd be interesting to see how sturdy it is. At the moment I'm a bit like, will it be sturdy enough? It almost seems like it wants 4 ways down here, just so that it's you know, like held together a bit better. But I don't know, we're yet to be seen. So this is why, I mean, I was going to order it for all the desks that we need, and then I decided not to, because I wanted to see whether or not the whole thing was going to be like you know, strong enough for what we want. So yeah, you know, it's just one of those things, isn't it? You just like learning and adapting. So, you know, this is like first iteration, but it may be that we end up changing the type of frame we use, or just changing the way we build it. So yeah, any comments, etc. below, let us know.